नमस्कार, स्वागत है आपका न्यूज एक्स के खास कार्यक्रम में। मेरा नाम कनिका कटियार है और इस वक्त मेरी मौजूदगी जो है केरल के वायनाड में है। केरल अपने आप में इसलिए इम्पोर्टेंट है क्योंकि सेकंड फेज में कल वोटिंग होनी है और केरल की 20 सीटों पे कल जो है यहाँ पर वोटिंग होनी है। इन 20 कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसीज जो है अगर बात करें तो वायनाड सबसे ज्यादा हॉट सीट है क्योंकि राहुल गांधी कांग्रेस पार्टी की ओर से चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं, लेकिन उन्हीं के सामने अगर बात करें तो एनी राजा जो है वो उनको चुनौती दे रही है और उनके सामने एक स्ट्रॉन्ग कंटेनर की तरह जो है चुनाव लड़ रही हैं। अगर केरल की बात करें तो कहीं ना कहीं साउथ में एक अलग फाइट देखने को मिल रही है। अगर हम लेफ्ट की बात करें तो लेफ्ट भी लगातार यहाँ पर जोरों शोरों से प्रचार कर रहा है, कॉन्टेस्ट कर रहा था और अब हालांकि प्रचार प्रसार सब बंद हो चुका है। जितने वादे करने थे वो सब पूरे हो चुके हैं। अब कल का वो दिन है जब केरल की जनता तय करेगी कि आखिरकार उन्होंने किसको चुना और किसको नकारा। लेकिन केरल के वायनाड में क्या कुछ मुद्दे होंगे और किन किन मुद्दों को इस बार ध्यान में रखते हुए यहाँ के लोग वोट कास्ट करने वाले हैं। आज मेरे पीछे कुछ लोग इस वक्त मौजूद हैं, इन्हीं से जानेंगे कि क्या इशू है यहाँ पर और किन लोगों को ये लोग पसंद करते हैं। क्या नाम है? व्हाट्स योर गुड नेम?
लल्लू।
ओके, तो व्हाट आर द इशू बेसिकली?
मैं कुछ भी नहीं है।
व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम?
नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है।
कुछ नहीं है। ओके, डू यू स्पीक इंग्लिश? हिंदी?
हिंदी
हिंदी। ओके, राहुल गांधी को जानते हैं?
नहीं जानता है।
नहीं जानते?
नहीं।
ओके, तो किसको वोट देंगे कल आप?
मैं वो प्रसिद्ध ना
हाँ
मालू,
हाँ।
हाँ उसका देता।
ओके, यहाँ पे लोकल क्या प्रॉब्लम है, मतलब क्या मुद्दे हैं इस
हाँ
बार?
इधर कुछ भी नहीं है ना। वो क्या दिखाएगा?
कोई इशू, लोकल इश्यूज, प्रॉब्लम्स, क्या प्रॉब्लम है, क्या सोच के वोट करेंगे?
मेरे को वोट नहीं है।
अच्छा,
हाँ।
आपका नाम क्या है?
दिलीप।
ओके, आप लोकल के हैं?
हाँ।
You stay in this constituency, Wayanad?
No, Malappuram.
Okay. What are the issues? What are the issue?
Issue nulla. No problem.
No problem.
No
Everything is good here.
Good.
Okay. Do you know Rahul Gandhi?
Problem la.
Okay.
Okay.
What do you think about Rahul Gandhi? Is he a good leader?
What about good or? Pala. Pala good or?
What's your good name? What are
मुजीब मुजीब मुजीब।
Mujib? Okay. What are the issues?
इधर इश्यूज नहीं है। क्या इश्यूज? वायनाड में क्या इश्यूज?
कोई इशू नहीं है।
ये नहीं, कुछ नहीं।
अच्छा,
अच्छा,
क्या सोचकर आप लोग वोट करते हैं, मतलब क्या परेशानी है? क्या
राहुल गांधी।
राहुल गांधी को वोट करते हैं?
हाँ।
क्यों?
राहुल गांधी अच्छा है,
हाँ?
अच्छा है, अच्छा आदमी है,
हाँ,
नो प्रॉब्लम है,
हाँ,
अच्छा आदमी है।
अच्छा आदमी है। ओके, तो एनी राजा को जानते हैं? एनी राजा
अनी राजा अच्छा है,
अच्छी
अच्छा
है।
लेडी है।
ओके, तो कल आप जब वोट करने जाएंगे, कल वोट कास्ट करेंगे तो क्या सोच कर करेंगे वोट?
राहुल गांधी अच्छा है, राहुल गांधी अच्छा है, वोट
अच्छा है। ओके, व्हाट अबाउट द प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी?
मिस्टर अच्छा है,
वो भी
अच्छा अच्छा है।
ओके, आप बताइए।
मैडम टेल मी मैडम।
ओके, व्हाट्स योर गुड नेम?
शाहजहान।
शाहजहान।
या
ओके, शाहजहान।
कम
Shahjahan, what are the issues you are voting on?
व्हाट
What are the issues you voting on?
इश्यूज?
हाँ,
ओनली इश्यूज। व्हाट डू यू मीन? व्हाट इश्यूज मीन्स?
what issues? Is in Lok Sabha election tomorrow.
Yeah,
so you are
yeah.
going to cast a vote.
Yeah.
So what you think?
I think it's a very good polling in this election.
Okay. So who will gonna win? मतलब, do you like Rahul Gandhi?
Here Rahul Gandhi, sure.
Why?
He's a international leader now. That's why national leader now.
अच्छा, national leader is.
Yeah. That's why he's a chance of winning.
Okay. Do you like Prime Minister?
Yeah, now not bad. That's all.
Okay. Apart from that, do you know any Raja?
Ani Raja.
Ani Raja.
Yeah, it's a good leader, but there is no chance of winning because
Why?
there is a chance for Rahul Gandhi.
Okay, chance.
Winning
for
chance is
Why?
more because I told you that he's a international fame now. That's why.
Okay.
His Congress is majority area is Wayanad actually. That's why I think the chance for Rahul Gandhi.
Why do you feel that Rahul Gandhi will contest here and Rahul Gandhi will win this election?
Why Rahul Gandhi win? Yeah, I told you, no. Rahul Gandhi is a well-known person. That's why. That's only the reason. No other reasons than that.
Okay. What's your good name?
Farhan.
Farhan. Okay. What are you doing? Are you studying?
Yes.
In which class?
Now I will go to 9th.
9.
Ah.
Okay. So, who is your favorite leader?
Rahul Gandhi.
Rahul Gandhi or Narendra Modi?
Rahul Gandhi.
Rahul Gandhi. Why?
Because what he said he is more good little. My opinion. In my opinion, he is little more good. And
Okay. Do you know Prime Minister of India?
yeah, Narendra Modi.
Okay. So, why you like Prime Minister Narendra Modi?
Because after the arriving of him, India had changed a lot. More facilities had came after the arrive when he became the Prime Minister. Then no other reason, only this much.
I have one question. Congress party has released their manifesto. Do you read their
I
manifesto?
don't know that, sir. I am not that much interested in politics.
Okay. What about the BJP? Do you think that BJP can win this constituency, the seat? Why not?
No, madam, no chance for that.
No chance for that. Why?
I told you, no. That's the reason is Rahul Gandhi is a winning person here.
Okay.
That's not politics. I have no politics and all, but there is a chance for Rahul Gandhi.
Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Have you read BJP's manifesto?
No, madam, not. I didn't read that too.
Okay. Do you think that there is any scope for BJP in South India?
South India, in Kerala, I don't know South India. In Kerala, there is, in future, there is a chance. This election, I don't know. Sometimes one seat will get. They will open account this year, I think. This election, one seat.
Okay. So, is there any chance that Congress will defeat Left Party in Kerala?
This election. No chance. There is a chance for Congress.
Chance for Congress?
Yeah.
Okay. मेरे पीछे और भी कुछ लोग हैं. Okay. Sir, what's your good name?
Jafar.
Huh?
Jafar. Inne sound is
Understand English?
Jafar.
What's your good name, sir?
Muhammad Ali.
Muhammad Ali. Okay. So, tomorrow you are going to vote?
നാളെ വോട്ടെടുപ്പിട്ട് രാവിലെ 7 മണിക്ക് പോയി ചെയ്യും.
Okay. Do you understand English?
No English.
Okay. So, tomorrow you are going to vote. Who you will go for vote?
രാഹുൽ ഗാന്ധിക്ക്.
Rahul Gandhi. Why? Why Rahul Gandhi? Why?
എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണെന്നോ? എന്തുകൊണ്ടാന്നുള്ളത് ഒരു സ്റ്റേറ്റ് അല്ല വലിയൊരു നേതാവായിട്ട് കണ്ടുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെയാണ്. കോൺഗ്രസിന്റെ നേതാവായതുകൊണ്ട് രാഹുൽ ഗാന്ധിക്ക് വോട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നു.
Rahul Gandhi को vote करें.
വോട്ട് ചെയ്യും.
Okay. All right. Okay. What's your good name?
Parno, Dilip.
What's your good name? Tell me.
Dilip.
Dilip. So Dilip, do you understand English or Hindi?
No.
English?
Hindi, English, no.
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 Okay. So are you going to?
Language problem.
Huh?
Language problem.
Language problem. Okay. So, what are the issues in Wayanad?
Nothing.
What are the problems?
No problem.
No problem.
Uppala.
Everything is very sorted. Is there any development here? Any change?
And change, ഞാൻ മലപ്പുറം border, Malappuram Palakkad border. And wife വീട് വയനാട്.
Okay.
My wife also വയനാട്.
Okay. So, basically, I am asking a question. Is there any change in Wayanad?
Good leader, Ani Raja, good leader. Rahul Gandhi, good leader.
Rahul Gandhi, good leader. Why Rahul Gandhi is a good leader? Why Rahul Gandhi is a good leader?
Problem അല്ല വെറും ഇനിയുള്ള
ओके ओके सी बहुत सारे और भी लोग हैं इनसे भी या हाँ हाँ ओके सर व्हाट्स अ गुड नेम
Biju.
Huh?
Biju.
So tomorrow you are going to cast your vote, right? Sir, what are the issue basically?
This issue is India facing some religious problems created by our Prime Minister. We are vote against that policy of government. He tried to divide the India on the basis of religion. We are protest against our vote against that policy.
Okay. So who would you like to vote? Like left, Congress, BJP, which party?
Congress.
Congress. Okay, why you like Congress?
Because Congress is led by the persons without any religion. He treated India as a single country. Okay.
So do you think that Congress can defeat left?
Yes, sure. In Kerala, it is sure.
It is sure.
Sure.
And what about the BJP?
No chance.
Have you read Congress manifesto?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So what do you like in Congress manifesto?
Because the main manifesto portion is the youth, the benefits separate to youth. They ensured the 1 lakh rupees to the unemployed persons. That is the most important one.
Okay. So what do you think about the inheritance tax?
Inheritance tax. That means?
Inheritance tax.
I don't know.
Okay. Basically, the overall politics is going on that BJP is claiming that Congress wants inheritance tax. Do you understand inheritance tax?
No. Yes. Yesterday's that is not affected the peoples.
Okay. You said that Congress manifesto is good because they promise youth for a job, right? So do you think that the unemployment is a big issue
Yes, big issue in India.
in India? And what about the Kerala?
It is also present in Kerala. Unemployment is also a problem in Kerala.
Unemployment is a big issue in Kerala, right? Okay. So do you think that poverty and the unemployment, the amount rising is the big issue in Lok Sabha?
In Lok Sabha. Yes, sure.
Okay. What do you think about the Prime Minister Narendra Modi?
He's not. He's a able man, but he divided the India on the basis of religion. That is not good. That is not good.
You are saying that Prime Minister divide India as in religion.
Yes.
Do you think that Rahul Gandhi can be win?
Yes. He's a good man. He gets some energy from his travel across the India, and he meet the lakhs of people, and he is know about the India. He's changed too much.
Okay. Have you heard about the India Alliance?
Yes.
Okay. So. Huh?
India Alliance won India.
Okay. So in Kerala, the left and Congress are against fighting,
Yes.
right? And in other state, left and Congress are fighting together.
Yes.
So do you think that this is a very different scenarios in other state and Kerala?
No, in every state there's a different political problems. In Kerala, the congressman and LDF is in two ships. They are not coming together. They are fight against the BJP, but in the atmosphere of Kerala, they fight together, fight against them. In BJP, CPM and Congress is the rivalry in Kerala. It is not changed too much. It cannot be changed. They are the main parties here. BJP has no role in Kerala. No role.
But Prime Minister Narendra Modi always said that उन्होंने बहुत कुछ किया North South के लिए.
In South, there is no role of BJP in South. In Kerala or Karnataka or Tamil Nadu or Telangana, there is no role. There is no road.
The BJP is claiming that they will got a 400 plus seat. Do you think?
It is only a imagine. It is only a tree. It is only a dream of Narendra Modi. It is not happened here. It is not happened here. This is not a reality.
What do you think about the Annamalai?
Eh?
Annamalai.
Which person that is? He is creating some religious problems in Tamil Nadu. He never take any major role in Indian politics. He is not he create any problem here. Namali is not a person we consider.
What about the K. Surendram?
Eh?
K. Surendram.
K. Surendran. He's a corrupted man.
Why?
Because he creates some problem here, he gives some package, and he thinks that all persons are attracted by this packet. It is not happen in Kerala. We are very educated people. We are not attracted by these packets or any other these offerings. It is not happening here. This land for peoples of various religion, they are unanimous together. They fight against the Narendra Modi.
Okay.
That is the policy of Kerala.
मेरे पीछे कुछ और भी लोग हैं, इनसे भी बातचीत करते हैं, क्योंकि कल ये लोग भी वोट कास्ट करने वाले हैं. सर, व्हाट्स योर गुड नेम? What's your good name?
Name Latif.
Okay. So, what are the issues in Kerala basically, in Wayanad?
വയനാട് മറ്റേ രാഹുൽ ഗാന്ധി
Problems.
പ്രോബ്ലം നോ പ്രോബ്ലം
What are the issues you will vote on?
വാ इंग्लिश थोड़ा इंग्लिश
Do you understand English?
इंग्लिश नहीं
English बिल्कुल नहीं.
नहीं थोड़ा
Oh, what's your good name?
My name is Aisha.
Okay. Do you understand English?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you translate your father?
Yes.
Okay. Done. My question is basically, what are the issues in Kerala, in Wayanad?
എന്താണ് പ്രശ്നം in
വയനാട് പ്രോബ്ലം नहीं
No any problem.
Huh?
No any problem.
No any problem. Okay, what's your age by the way?
Eh?
What's your age?
My age is 11. Today 11.
Okay. In which standard you are?
In 6th.
6th standard.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So can you translate your father?
Yes.
Okay. So he will go for vote tomorrow? Rahul Gandhi and Ani Raja, who?
അനി രാജ
Ani Raja.
Ani Raja.
Why? Why?
മറ്റേ നല്ല പരിശ്രമം അറിയാം നല്ല പ്രവർത്തനം
She is very.
Okay. What he saying?
She is very interested to everything
നല്ല
and so
നല്ല പ്രവർത്തനമാണ് നല്ല പ്രവർത്തനം നല്ല
Okay. Okay. Do you think Rahul Gandhi is a good leader?
yes. Yes. Ani Raja also.
Ani Raja also. So will you ask your father that is there any scope that Congress can win this Lok Sabha seat?
രണ്ടാളും നല്ല പ്രവർത്തനമാണ് നല്ല കണ്ടക്ടർ അറിയും
Two people is very interested that in that program and so my sister is telling English very well.
One question, please translate your father. That is there any scope that Rahul Gandhi can win this Wayanad seat again?
ഇല്ല ഒരു പ്രോബ്ലം ഇല്ല രാഹുൽ ഗാന്ധി ജയിക്കും എന്നറിയും അനിരാജ
Sir, what's your good name?
Shahid.
Shahid. Yes. Okay, so what are the basically issues you think and then you vote? किसको वोट करोगे? राहुल गांधी, एनी राजा?
मैं ऐसा बात नहीं करूंगी.
ठीक है. देखिए, साफ तौर पे कई लोगों से बातचीत की, बिकॉज वायनाड में एक लैंग्वेज बैरियर है. ज्यादातर लोग यहाँ पर इंग्लिश और हिंदी नहीं समझ पाते हैं। लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं कल वोटिंग होने वाली है सेकंड फेज में, देखना यही होगा कि वायनाड में किसको जनता चुनती है और अपना वोट जो है वो किसको देती है, और लेफ्ट और कांग्रेस और बीजेपी में कौन सी पार्टी जो है वायनाड की सीट को हार जीतती है और कौन लूज करेगा। लेकिन कल जब वोटिंग प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होगा तब देखना होगा कि वायनाड में आखिरकार क्या इश्यूज है जिसको सोचकर लोगों ने यहाँ पर वोट डाला है।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.